What's up, guys? It's Saturday at the shop. I'm gonna take you along with me. So a lot's been going down at DGM lately. Biggest thing are the rotiform aero disc mounts. Secondly, we got the new polisher holders. Those are going to be coming out soon, so stay tuned for those. And I got to get a couple things on the printer, and then we might work on Zach's LS and probably do some stuff to the Porsche, and I can give you an update on that. So I'll give you an update on the Porsche. I'm also gonna drop a bunch of little videos in here that I've filmed but haven't made a real video, just to kind of culminate all those into one video and give you guys a real update. So since last time you've seen the car, I've taken quite a bit off of it. Got the doors off, the front fenders off, pulled the gas tank out, it was full of crap, and then started pulling a lot of the interior out, all the seats, got all the fabric out, all the carpet, and just tried to expose a lot of the areas that have rust. Now I do have a 1990 car that was in a rollover crash, so the top half is messed up, which is fine because this top side's pretty good, but the underside is rust free because it was a Georgia car. So I don't know how close the stampings are going to be for these bodies. I hear they're very similar, but we're going to take a chance and we're going to see how much converts over. So I'm going to run to the storage unit. I'm going to cut a few pieces off that and try welding them into this car. Now the areas I need to target are obviously the floors. I got some work to do up here by the battery tray and by where the wires come out for the headlights. The front corners in front of the doors both need a little help, and then the notorious heat vent here, going back to where the rear torsion bar connects. This is the worst part of the car right here, so that's going to need a lot of work, because you probably wonder how we got here. On the rotisserie, this is the Jegs rotisserie, had to make mounts for it, custom mounts. Did a little reinforcing, obviously all the suspensions off of it. Already started taking this rocker panel out, the door jamb out. I have to obviously tear into the kidney plate. All the rear suspension and torsion tube is out, and the back is affixed to the rotisserie. And you can see how I did that there. Just 2-inch tubing welded together. Cut this little bracket on the plasma. Yeah. Also some reinforcing done on the interior so far. I think I'll do another cross beam there. So yeah, now I just need to continue to cut metal out of it, order the new metal, and just keep going on with this. Still in the process of figuring out if I want to do the original motor, but that's dropped off. I'm getting that quoted right now. If not, we may go different crazy routes. I don't know. We'll see. So that's the update on the Porsche.